Welcome to Sweet Life Beat Life. We hope this video helps.
You begin by assembling parts and preparing the board. Once you have the LM386, speaker, caps, pot and jack, solder V+ and G&D rails first so you have stable reference points. Make sure the 0.1 micro F ceramic is placed right at the LM386 between V+ and ground to prevent oscillation. Next, mount the 10K pot and audio jack near the input area. This gets you ready to make the input connections without shifting components later. Now you build the amplifier core. Connect the audio jack tip to LM386 pin 3 and the sleeve to ground at pin 2. This makes your input path. Once done, place the 10 micro F between pins 1 and 8 to set higher gain, remove it for lower gain and less noise. Then route pin 5 through the 220 micro F output capacitor to the speaker positive terminal, with speaker negative to ground. Finally, power the chip by wiring pin 6 to 9 volts, and confirm pin 4 is ground. Finish by securing everything in an enclosure and routing the pot and jack to accessible holes. You should power up with the pot turned down, play a test tone, then increase volume slowly to avoid speaker stress. Make sure the output cap polarity and the battery orientation are correct. That avoids damage. If you encounter no sound or persistent noise, measure 9 volts at pin 6, check that electrolytic caps aren't reversed, and reflow any suspect solder joints. These fixes resolve most common faults.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.